this is a quick overview of the Braun Series 9 Pro Razor with the PowerCase right here. And I wanted to show you what all comes in the package with it. First, this is your Braun Series 9 razor. This is what it looks like. There are two little, you can squeeze on the side and it pops the top off for the Braun Series 9. You do have flexibility this way and that way, and on the back of the Braun Series 9 Pro, you do have a pop-up trimmer so you can do your sideburns with those. One thing it does not, at least mine did not come charged, so I just opened the box here, and yeah, there's no charge in it. Alright, I was going to set this right in here though. Here is the PowerCase. This is why I went with this Braun Series 9 Pro, because it comes with this charging case. You can put your shaver in here, and it has up to 1/2 charge of the Braun razor in it. So you can get, when you travel, you can get a charge and a half just by using this travel case. Also inside the travel case, up here you'll notice there is, if I can pop it out, there is a little brush that fits nicely in the top of the razor right there. So let's put that in the charging case, lock that up. It does include a power cord with it, as you would expect. The power cord plugs into the top here of your charging power case, or you can plug it into, whoop, my little brush fell out. I guess I didn't put that back in snugly. You can also plug it into the bottom of your razor, and you can plug it into the Smart Care Center, which is what I was going to talk about next. This is the Smart Care Center where you can put your razor, and it does 5 things. I got to read these. It cleans it, it lubricates it, it charges it, it dries it, and it says it does smart programs. I'm not even exactly sure what those are yet, but it's the Smart Care Center. I was going to pull this out. It also includes, press this button on the back, this pops down. It includes this lubrication that you put in here, the fluid that you'll use inside your Smart Care Center. But that's what comes in the packet. This is the Braun Series 9 Pro. Thanks for watching.